My biggest passion is helping people live their lives to their fullest potential. For many, many, many years, that is the opposite of what I was doing because I sabotaged myself to pieces and I was super stressed. And now I'm living my life to my fullest potential and I love helping other people do the same thing.
Tessa is so articulate and personable and even vulnerable and funny.
We created the Triessence Corporate Training Center and the unique workshop experiences so that people could come in and learn information that is crucial for our health and well-being in today's world. Triessence focuses on finding better balance between your physical, your mental, and your spiritual health. It's not about finding a perfect balance, meaning 33.33333% in all of those areas. It's about finding your perfect balance, meaning our workshop experiences help you see where are you out of balance. When we look at physical, mental, spiritual, first off, do you even know what that means to you? And then second, where is it off? And then we help you find ways to bring it up so that you can become less stressed at work, more productive, and then basically so you can just be a happier human being and better to the people that you love.
I was in corporate America for a lot of years, and companies would send us on these team building, day off sort of things, and I just remember that I got nothing out of it. The only thing that I remember is just not having to go to work that day. So here at Triessence, we're trying to do something a little bit different. We have a unique experience, and the next day when they go in the office, it's not going to be a normal day. They're going to come in and they're going to be giving each other nicknames, they're going to be high-fiving each other.
Being in a more intimate setting is great for people because they get to share with one another. They get to talk about their own stresses. They get to talk about their own challenges, what keeps them from being productive.
We have an outside area where people can go and relax during breaks. I think that people grasp information and they learn better when they're surrounded by nature, and we try to provide that here at Triessence.
Our unique workshop experiences cover stress relief, mindfulness, emotional intelligence, personal development, professional development, and work-life balance. And by taking a deeper dive, the advantage is something that they can start using right away.
If a company cares about their people enough to bring them to something like this, where they can stop and they can focus on themselves, reevaluate, I think it could make all the difference for any company.
I just see the need all over because people are struggling and they are having a hard time just getting through day-to-day stuff. I know what it's like to not want to get out of bed in the morning. I know what it's like to not live my life to my fullest potential, and there is a way out, and people can have happy and joyful lives. And one of the keys is taking better care of yourself, physically, mentally, and spiritually.
I had fun today.